What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to cartoon yourself on Procreate. So this is going to be a time-lapse video mixed with some explanations. Well, if you're a beginner and you have no idea what I'm doing here, check out the video in my description. I have a complete tutorial to teach you how to cartoon yourself from scratch, but it's really long, so just check it out if you want to learn from scratch. The purpose of this video is to show you guys a new technique on how I do my shadings. So that's the multiply effect technique I was talking about in my previous video. So I'll show you guys that now. So what the multiply effect does is you don't necessarily have to start picking up a particular color to shade the skin, then pick up a different color to shade the lips, pick up a different color to shade the tongue, and shading different places with different colors. Using multiply effect, you can just use a single color to shade everything at once. It's just really easy. So that's what I'm about to do here. So while I've selected multiply, I head my color wheel, pick up a reddish color up there, a light kind of red color, then start shading off there. So you have to turn off referencing. So what you can see me doing here, I can just use the same color to shade in both the face and the lips, also the tongue, and it just fits in. Now I'm done my first layer. I'm creating a new layer for more shadings. I call it depth. I'm trying to add depth to the picture. So I click on multiply again, then with a darker color this time around. But this is too light, so I want the next shading to be darker. I'm going to take it down up to that level and just start shading the same like I did before. Well, under the multiply effect, there is also a technique I use, which is color variation. I usually use blue and red effects on the skin just to add, it adds kind of life, it adds life to your picture kind of. So what I do is I fade in red on the cheeks, kind of like blushes, or red on the nose to signify the parts of the face where there's usually much blood. So then I fade in blue on like the under the neck shading. For the shadings of the clothes, I'm still using multiply effect. That's why if you notice, when I'm shading over the lines on the clothes, it's not, the painting is not covering the lines, rather you can still see the lines of the clothes under the shading. So multiply also assists in shading clothes with pattern. Well, I'm shading the hair already, you might not have noticed. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of it, subscribe to my channel, and if you like, and comment on what you think. See you all later.